Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Fortnite Cronus Zen script on PS5, Xbox, and PC. Start with the best controller settings for 2026 competitive play. First, set your look sensitivity for both horizontal and vertical to between 40 and 45%. Then, adjust your ADS sensitivity for horizontal and vertical to between 8 and 12%. Now, set your build mode sensitivity multiplier to between 1.8 and 2.2 times, and do the same for edit mode sensitivity multiplier. These settings allows faster builds and edits while keeping your gunfights controlled. Next, move to advanced settings. Turn aim assist on and set the input curve to linear, which is best for competitive play. Then adjust the dead zone for the left stick to between 5 and 8% and the dead zone for the right stick to between 5 and 7%. A lower dead zones helps with faster micro adjustments. Now, focus on faster builds and edits for a legit boost. Turn on Confirm Edit on release, then enable Turbo Building and make sure you are using the Builder Pro layout. Mastering these setup alone can feel like using a script because it improves your building and editing speed dramatically. If you are playing on PC, next optimize your system for performance. Turn performance mode on, then turn shadows and motion blur off. Make sure your FPS is kept at a stable value matching your monitor refresh rate and enable NVIDIA Reflex for stronger, more consistent aim. For console players on PS5 or Xbox, first enable 120Hz mode. Then, turn on game mode on your TV. Next, use a wired controller and turn off vibration. These steps reduce input delay, allowing faster reaction times during intense fights. That's it, thanks for watching, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.